This tutorial guides you through setting up the simple CAPTCHA Cloudflare integration with Contact Form 7. You will learn how to create and configure Turnstile widgets and integrate them into your WordPress site. Click Connect, Protect, and Build everywhere. We make websites, apps, AI agents, and networks faster and more secure. Our agile SASE platform accelerates safe AI adoption, and our developer platform is. Click Login. Switch to dash.cloudflare.com. Click Continue with Google. Switch to accounts.google.com. Click Continue. Switch to dash.cloudflare.com. Click Application Security. Click Turnstile. Click Add Widget. Click Enter Widget Name. Fill content. Click Add Hostnames. Click egg.hostname.com or sub.hostname.com. Fill https://bomkungyeptyfwalk.com. Fill domain. Click Search. Click Add. Click Add. Click Create. Switch to your website. Click Add Plugin. Click Find Plugin. Fill Simple CAPTCHA, alternative with Cloudflare Turnstile. Click Find Plugin. Click Install New. Click Active. Switch to dash.cloudflare.com. Copy site key. Switch to your website. Enter here. Switch to dash.cloudflare.com. Copy secret key. Switch to your website. Click Optional. Define keys in wp-config.php. You can optionally define your API keys in your wp-config.php file, so the keys are not stored in the database. 2. Click Light, Dark, or Auto. Click Advanced Settings. Select Size. Click Save Change. Click Check Request. Send Success. Click List Form. Click Edit. Go here. Enter shortcode. Click Save. You have successfully configured the simple CAPTCHA Cloudflare Turnstile widget and integrated it with Contact Form 7 on your WordPress site. Verify the Turnstile functionality and manage your forms to ensure proper CAPTCHA protection.